Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the complete process of building a brand book, how you will set up your Shopify brand settings, and how you will create different brand logo variations for your own brand. So you can follow the same process for your own brand. So let's start with Shopify brand settings. Open your Shopify online store and then click on edit theme. So settings. So here you see all your important settings like color palette, typography, page, animations, pages, each and everything. So don't try to remember everything, just take screenshot of everything. So I'm just quickly taking the screenshot. So if you have a lot of screenshots, that's completely fine. Now the interesting part is that AI will organize everything for us. So open your AI chatbot. So I'm using Gemini. Upload all your screenshots. With this simple prompt. So I'll add this prompt in the description below. Now the AI will analyze everything and give us an organized information into a clear and simple list. So now we have a clear reference for our brand settings. So go back to your Shopify and update all the information accordingly. So I'm going to update them quickly. So now our website settings are organized. So we have to move most important part of our brand, the logo. So here are few options. You can either use AI to generate logo or you can design it by yourself. For this, I decided to use Canva because I want more control. So before designing, I think it's better to have a clear reference. So for that purpose, I'm using Pinterest. Open Pinterest and here you search something related to your business. So I'm searching gifting logo. So look through different styles. I like this one. So don't use anyone else logo, just use it for reference purpose. So so once you have a clear reference, go back to Canva and create your logo with your brand name. So if you want a logo something like an icon or a text-based logo, so search elements. So I'm just searching gift box. So that's it. And I think keep it simple and clean. So here, one thing I recommend that don't create a simple or single logo. Create multiple versions. Like this is your primary logo. So create a reverse logo that must be for darker background. So I'm just duplicate. And you have to create a logo mark that must be useful for smaller spaces like mobile devices. So again, I'm just copy, delete this one and remove the effect. Again, duplicate and create its reverse version. And these variations are very important because your website might need one logo, but your packing needs another, and your social media needs a smaller version. So once you are happy with all of them, just save them. So I'm just completing. So once you have happy with all of them, just save them. And now we are ready for the final step. So now we have everything, our brand colors, fonts, logo variations, each and everything. So we have to, let's put everything to a professional documents. And for that purpose, I'm using ChatGPT. So open ChatGPT and upload all the necessary details. I'm just copy these details and upload them with all your logo files with this simple prompt. So please create a complete professional multi-page visual brand book based on these attached logos and brand colors and hit enter. So now it can organize your brand information into different sections like brand foundation, primary logo, reverse logo system, color palette, typography, layout, spacing, UI design, button cards, each and everything. So just review it. So review it completely and make changes if you want. Otherwise, just save it. So that's it for today. So our brand book is ready. So in the next video, we are going to decide our website. So we will start to building our homepage. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.